mo. I love that dress.
Good afternoon, our compatriots in the Philippines and the world. Today is December 28, 2024, Feast of the Holy Innocents. And we are very fortunate we are granted the grace and the blessing to be with Muffin, a very good friend of my dear departed Miss Marie Cristina Laras Nacamos and Caroline Howard. So here we are. The inspiration is to offer a spiritual writing and artwork because this very UP Covenant Monument was done by ancestor saints and heroes, spiritual national artist Nestor Olarte Binluan, to realize the new sacred prophetic international order envisioned by Dr. Jose Rizal and Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt. And now, this is a great sign, a radiant sign by the heavens, that because of this, more and more spiritual artists will be offered in this UP Covenant Monument, defining and establishing the Philippine spiritual infrastructure for the world.
To boss and servants. To bosses and servants. A boss and servant relationship is less preferable to a loving relationship between people. Nobody likes to pay and be paid. One likes to serve and be served and shared out of love. If one has to work out of necessity, one may do it with love so that it will be done sweetly, honestly, and patiently. Jesus.
In truth, this spiritual writing, this message that our dear Muffin keeps receiving is aligned with the manuscript of Civil Service Commission, Commissioner Mary Ann Fernandez Mendoza, whose manuscript I'm editing and entitled A Public Servant Encounter with the Divine. Amen. Ito, hindi natin